In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a broadcast by tags in Kit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to target just the right subscribers without sending to your entire list. Let's start by creating the actual broadcast. Once you're logged into Kit, head over to the main navigation and look for the Send section. Under that, click on Broadcasts. This is where all of your one-time email sends live, so you can see past broadcasts as well as create new ones. To create a new one, click the button labeled New Broadcast. Kit will now prompt you to choose a template. You might see templates for different purposes like announcements, newsletters, or promotions. Take a moment to pick the one that best fits what you're sending today. When you found the right layout, click Choose. That will open up the editor where you can customize your subject line, content, and design. After you've finished editing your email and you're happy with how it looks, you're ready to decide who should receive it. In the bottom right corner of the editor, click Continue to move to the Publish screen. This is where you control your audience and sending options. On the Publish screen, look for the section that says, Who would you like to send this to? And click Edit. By default, Kit might be set to send to all of your subscribers, but we're going to narrow that down using tags. In the first drop-down, change it from All Subscribers to Subscribe to. This tells Kit that you only want people who meet a certain condition. Next, in the second drop-down, change it to Tag. This is where your tagging strategy comes into play. Click the tag field and select the tag or tags you want from the list. These might correspond to interests, products, or segments you've created earlier. Take a second to double-check that you've selected the correct tags so you don't accidentally include or exclude the wrong group. Once your tags are selected, click Add Filter and then click Update to save those audience settings. You'll now see that your broadcast is targeting only subscribers who match those tag filters. Before you send, look at your recipient count. Make sure the number lines up with what you expect for that tag or combination of tags. If the number seems off, go back into Edit and review your filters. When everything looks right, click Continue. Finally, to send the email immediately, click Send Broadcast. That's all you need to send a targeted broadcast by tags in Kit.